MNQ trade alert. MNQ, buy signal 2.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, good afternoon, traders. Dave with Renko Kings here. Renko Kings provides you with simple, clear entries.
MNQ trade alert. MNQ trade alert. MNQ trade alert. MNQ, buy signal 2.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to trail this stop up just under this wick right here. We're looking at the micro NQ. Today is August 12th. And we're just trading one contract. We're looking at a 2-to-1. Going to go ahead and mark my trade. So this was a modified entry. So I'm actually going to draw my entry just, you can see the arrow right here, just to the right of
MNQ trade alert.
The entry signal that I took. Okay, so
MNQ, buy signal 3.
So this entry signal printed. Then I went ahead and printed a limit order down here. As it retraced down, I
Target
got
filled.
Nice, nice, okay.
MNQ trade alert. MNQ, buy signal 2.
So the micro NQ is 50 cents a tick. So 52 ticks times 50 cents is $26. I was explaining that it's a modified entry. And in fact, let me just shut my connection off so it's not talking over me. So a traditional entry, you have your buy stop order waiting up here, right? And I would have a full 26 ticks worth of risk, okay? So what I did was the market was moving a little bit faster and I didn't get positioned in time, okay? So instead of just going in and, you know, placing a market order or something like that, I went ahead and I measured where the neck of the candle was, put it in a couple ticks above. I actually mismeasured though. I actually wanted to be down here at 55 1/4. I'm not exactly sure what happened, but I got filled up here at 50. Oh, I had 56 1/4. Okay. There's my error. I meant to grab 55 1/4. I grabbed 56 1/4. Okay, now I see what I did wrong. No worries. 55 1/4. Yeah, maybe, maybe not, right? Who knows? Would have gotten touched. I don't know if I would have gotten filled. Maybe, maybe not. Okay, you can see this wick right here came down. We're talking about this wick right here. And maybe I would have gotten filled. Maybe I wouldn't. It touched it. I'm not sure. And then your risk is at the same point. Okay. you move your risk up to just below this candle. Okay. So you saw that we did not break this resistance level here the first try, okay, and we retraced, so we took a little bit of heat here, right? But my stop remained right here, okay? Then after this candle and we got this signal, okay, it was safe to go ahead and move my stop from here up to here, okay? And then again, when it took profit, I could have moved my stop up to here, okay? But it may have, the ATM strategy might have been trailing at that time. I was marking my trade, so maybe the ATM strategy had taken over at that point. I'm not sure. But if you're manually doing it, you could have moved it from here to here, or you could always use the bar close indicator, okay? And we took our 52 ticks right there, okay? So what I like about this setup, okay, let's back up for a second because I didn't get to explain the setup, is we're above the pivot. You guys know I like to use pivots on the NQ. And what I liked about this setup is we broke out of this mess right here. Okay, this is consolidation right here. Okay, we're just moving sideways. Okay, and if you don't have your chart scrunched up, you can't see that. Okay, and what I mean by that is if you have your chart like this, you can't tell that you're in consolidation. Okay, but look, your trend line is pretty much going horizontal, isn't it? What else do you notice? Well, you have some long signals, and then you have a short signal. But the trend line is going horizontal. We don't want to trade when the trend line is going horizontal, okay? What do we want the trend line to look like? We want the trend line to look like this, okay? Like a 45-degree angle, okay? And what is the trend line doing right here for this trade, okay? And what's another clue that we're in a trend? Well, we have stair stepping built into the software. Okay. So if you get good at and patient, okay, and I know not all of you like to use the stair stepping tools, but I recommend that you do. If you turn on your stair stepping tools, okay, it's going to turn off a lot of the signals. Okay, and it's going to turn off a lot of the consolidation also. So not until you get into a good trend, all right, and I'm looking at this, okay, so we got 3 printed, we've got a solid trend printed, okay, and I saw 4, all of this movement here, 5, we broke out of this, okay, and that's why I was interested in taking this setup here, okay. So when you're watching these videos, take notes, okay, actually take notes of what I'm saying, and then try and apply what you've learned from this example to your own trades, okay? Because this is just pattern recognition, okay? So I hope this example helps, and if you have any questions, please send in your emails, send in charts. Send in your charts, mark up your trades. You know, put arrows and, put boxes and, fill the boxes. I was thinking that, so I understand your process of thinking. Don't just send me a blank chart showing, I went long here, I went short here. I don't understand. I'm going to have a hard time understanding what you were thinking when you took the trade, okay? I want to know what you were thinking. What was your thought process? What did you see on the chart, okay? So, I hope that example helps. And everybody have a great day, okay? Thanks.